What's going on, everybody? This is Jake with TST Industries. We are back in the garage again today. We're going to be shooting a quick installation video. I have the womet-tech rear axle sliders here. They're going to be going on this beautiful 2022 Yamaha R7. We also offer a wide variety of options that give you different lift points, some with or without crash protection, like captive chain adjusters and the spool sliders as well. This installation should be pretty quick, pretty easy. The nice part about these right here is they do give you a lift point in addition to crash protection, so you get the best of both worlds. Let's go ahead and jump right into the installation. All right, everybody, this is how you should have received your kit there, the rear axle sliders. We're gonna go ahead and disassemble this, so that way I can show you a couple of the differences that you need to know when it comes to installing it. It is pretty simple here. Essentially, all you do is you have your accommodating hardware, your spacer that you would then superimpose the actual slider onto. The one thing that I do want to make a mention is that one side has a recessed cup. That side goes on your sprocket side over the actual axle nut. This side here, you actually don't have to completely disassemble. It is basically ready for you to go ahead and slide in. I'm just going to tighten it up just a little bit by hand for now. And then you're going to slide it through the hollow point on the rear axle here, and it will sit flush. And then we're going to go ahead and go on to the other side, and we'll carry on from there. Now on the sprocket side here, we do have the accommodating slider, spacer, and hardware. This is the recessed spacer. This does go on the sprocket side over the axle nut. So let's go ahead and get this in there. It is a number 5 T-handle. So you're just going to slide that in, get a good bite on it, and then I'm just gently going to tighten this up until it bottoms out, and then we will torque it to the correct specifications. Now let's grab our torque wrench. I do have it seated all the way. It doesn't matter which side you torque as long as it is torqued to the correct specifications, which for this, that is 12 Newton meters or 106 inch-pounds. Again, is it a number 5 Allen? And we're just gonna go ahead and hold this other side, get this seated in there. And there she is. And just like that, the installation is complete. Like I said, pretty easy, pretty straightforward here. The one thing I do want to mention about these, albeit you do get the best of both worlds by having a lift point and crash protection. The one thing is when you actually are utilizing the lift point to lift the rear tire up, you cannot actually remove the axle and the wheel because it does cover it. Fortunately for you, we do offer additional style lift points, some with and without crash protection that affix to different points on the bike. If you're interested in those, please check out the website, tstindustries.com. If you like the video, please leave a comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Again, this was Jake with TST Industries. Ride smart.